Hey guys, how's it going? Let's talk about AEW. Firstly, and as always, this video in no way has been designed to deceive anyone. There is no actual footage in this video. This video is audio only, and this video has been created to still photos only due to copyright issues. If you wish to watch this episode or pay-per-view of All Elite Wrestling, then head over to their social media platforms and I'm sure they'll help you out, or subscribe to the correct platforms. Once again, this video is audio only, and this video is to provide you with updates, live audio only updates of what has taken place on AEW, Dynamite, Collision and their pay-per-view specials. If you wish to watch AEW, once again, you should support All Elite Wrestling. You should subscribe to their platforms. Go over to their YouTube and their Twitter/X pages, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and you will get to see as much footage as you need there. If you wish to provide yourself with a free alternative of watching wrestling, then subscribe to the All Elite Wrestling YouTube and social media pages. I am here to provide you with audio only updates of what has taken place on any All Elite Wrestling show. I am here to promote All Elite Wrestling. I am here to promote professional wrestling, support professional wrestling, pay for professional wrestling if you love it so much. Guys, there is only one thing left for me to say to you right now. Stay tuned for more.